So this is a loading technique to the back part of the arm. It covers roughly where the shoulder moves to where the elbow bends, so this area right in through here. You're going to need a ball. You're going to place it against the wall. Two different techniques you can use. The first is the seek and destroy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to seek an area that's sensitive. So I'm going to apply the pressure and scan that area until I find an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area that's sensitive, I'm going to destroy it by applying more pressure, breathing into it to allow it to melt and desensitize. Once that happens, I'm going to progress to another spot. So I'm going to find an area. I can find the area by going up my shoulder or down towards my elbow, or keep that fixated and twist my arm in or twist my arm out. Wherever I feel more sensitivity is the area that you need to destroy. Once that happens, the second technique you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So what I'm going to do is the exact same thing as I'm going to find an area that's sensitive. I'm going to go up into my shoulder and I'm going down into my elbow. I can rotate my arm outward or rotate my arm inward wherever I feel more sensitivity. Once I feel the sensitive area, I'm going to pin it down. From there, to stretch it out, I'm going to bend my elbow. I'm going to bend my elbow until this hand can help out. Then I'm going to assist it a little bit more, as far as I can tolerate, and then I'm just going to hold that there and then slowly lower it back down. I'm going to find another area. I'm going to pin that down. I'm going to bend the elbow, assist it with the opposite arm, and hold that position. I can change the angle of where my arm is by actually keeping it in this position. So I can find an area. I'm going to keep my elbow straight. I'm going to twist my arm up and down, find an area that's sensitive. Then I'm going to bend the elbow to stretch it out. So I'm bending it. I'm going to use this opposite hand to help assist it a little bit more and hold that position. So again, I'm going to find an area that's sensitive. I'm going to twist up and down. I feel it more when I turn down. Bend the elbow, bring that arm close towards my body and hold that position until it melts. Once it melts, then you can progress to another spot. So there's 3 different positions that you can actually try with the triceps. Arm down towards your side, up in this position, and if you're pretty flexible, you can bring that arm up a little bit more with that ball sandwiched in between. So you can keep your body a little bit more like this, facing the wall, as you still progress to going arm in, arm out, and bending.